Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Introducing myself, my name is Richa Angelina. You can call me Icha. If you see me every day, you can smile every day too. Okay, I am student the Department of State Administration, Faculty of Social Science, Padang State University. Okay, I made this video in order to fulfill my final assessment for an English course with my supporting lecturer, Mrs. Nora Fudla. You know what I'm going to discuss in this video? Okay, yes, according to the introduction my lecture, this time will describe an object that I often use and will review it. Can you see this thing? Okay, I tell you about this thing if you don't know. Okay, I will tell you about this thing. Yes, that's right. This is a water bottle. A water bottle is a container that functions to hold water suitable from the consumption by the user. Drinking water is one of the most needed things by the body. In a day, body fluids need a 1 liter water to have the function of the limbs from within. To help replace lost body fluids, because humans are always active, a water bottle design is made that various shapes, size, and brand are available. From the previous explanation, you must have understand that mass product is used to store drinking water. That is why water bottles are often taken when traveling long distance or just doing outdoor activities such as jogging. Maybe what is a drinking water bottle for and what is it used more or less as I explained earlier? Don't you want to ask where did I get this water bottle? Okay, I will tell you. Actually, I get this bottle of drinking water while doing an independent study at a public institution, which at that time was held in Jakarta. The public agency that I visited at the time was the Ministry of State Secretariat, the Republic of Indonesia. During the visit, every student welcome was given a gift, once which contained a water bottle. So, you can see here that there are pictures and writings of the Ministry of State Secretariat of the Republic Indonesia. This you can see picture and writing. I'm very happy to have this item because not only can use it every day, but it also reminds me of the great experience I had when I made that visit. I think that an object will have value from the memories of prison. Okay, maybe I think is enough what I said this video. I hope what I said earlier can be useful. Yes, I also want to say for my lecturer, Mrs. Nora, a big thank you to Mrs. Nora who has provided useful knowledge for this semester. I hope that what you taught me can be implemented in my daily life. Okay, finish I say the video. Thank you all for watching my video and I end with Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.